Welcome, I am Joe. Today, I'm going to teach you a rare manifestation technique that can change your reality. It's called the quantum reversal technique. You're not just going to understand it, you're going to feel it. Let's begin. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of the outside world. Imagine the space around you growing larger. You're entering the quantum field, a place where all possibilities exist. Step 1. Create the void. Start by letting go of all desires, thoughts, and expectations. Feel the emptiness within you not as a lack, but as infinite potential. In this void, the universe listens, waiting for you to signal your intentions. Step 2. Tap into future gratitude. Now, feel the emotion of gratitude not for what you have, but for what is coming. Feel as if you've already received the very thing you want. Let it fill your heart. Gratitude opens the door to the quantum field, pulling the future towards you. Step 3. Visualize from the end. Now, see yourself as the person who has already manifested your desires. How do you walk, talk, or feel? Step into that version of you. Experience it. You're no longer hoping, you are living it. Breathe deeply and let that vision sink in. Step 4. Anchor it with action. Manifesting in the quantum field isn't passive. Decide on one action you can take today to align with this future self. No matter how small, take that step as soon as the session ends. Action anchors the energy you've created. Step 5. Release attachment. Now, release your attachment to the outcome. Trust that it is already in motion. You've done your part. Surrender to the process and allow the universe to work in its own time. When you stop clinging, the field responds. You've just engaged in one of the most powerful manifestation techniques. You've aligned with the quantum field, felt your future, taken action, and surrendered. Stay in this energy. Trust the process and watch your reality shift. If you found this technique powerful, don't forget to hit subscribe and join this community of creators, manifesting their highest potential. Share your experience in the comments below, and let me know what you're manifesting next. Remember, you are far more powerful than you've been led to believe. Thank you for being here. Until next time, stay aware, stay aligned, and let the magic unfold.